I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So I have already told you I will show you how to explore orders in dashboard in our WooCommerce dashboard. So I hope you know how to uh, into WooCommerce dashboard. So after coming the dashboard, here you can see the option is WooCommerce, and here you can see orders. So if there are any coming orders, new orders, then you can get some notification. So here we are noticing there are two notification. That means there are two orders. So we uh, just test it, and that's why here is two. So I just click on the orders. So here you can see there are some orders. So most all the products are test purpose. So here you can see the option is the product is name, and here you can see the name, and here is the billing address, and it's a cash on delivery or it's a debit and credit card, and where you need to ship. Okay, so here you can see the shipping address also, and here is the total price. So if you want to understand more smoothly what is the price, what is the shipping cost, and what how much the overall price. Okay, so just click on the the orders. So for example, we go this one. Okay, so here you can see all the things. Here we the customer use coupons and 20 coupons, and that's why he get 5,000, and shipping cost 500, and total order 20, and this is the product name, the eternal, and items count is 1. Okay, so here you can see also the quantity one. So here you can see the billing address, shipping address again, and here you can see the status order. So the orders is processing. That means you receive the the payment, but we didn't deliver the product at all. So after delivering the product, you can status here is the completed. Okay, so if you complete the product, then it will be completed. And if you want to refund, so here you can see the refund option. Okay, so you can also the refund the payment. So this is overall the orders. And uh, if you want to stock management, how to do that? So for this you have to go to the product. So I am clicking the product tab, and here you can see the product, all the three products. So for example, we click on the first product. So we want to stock management. So for this, you know here you can see there is option is the inventory. Okay, so click on the inventory. Here you can see the stock management. So click on the stock management, and here you can see the quantity. So you can for example select on the 15 quantity. So just customer when order one product, then it will be count is the 49, like this way. So that's all overall. Thank you.